That look is so nostalgic.
I know.
But you're talking about me. You said you wanted out. What pulled you back in?
State of the country, I guess. First, my assignments are easier. And I need to see justice served. And like you, I am seeing results.
Yeah. Mr. M set up a foolproof plan. And it'll work.
Yeah, against all odds. Remember, they're still coming after the agency.
Meanwhile, we're out here solving crimes. And the government can't.
But they're the ones that get the credit.
True. So, what was your latest assignment?
Paul, you know I can't talk about that. You have to wait on Mr. Mullins' report.
Well, nothing beats a trial but a failure.
No longer concerned about the cameras?
Hey, I think you're easy. Greetings. Yo, heal.
Good evening, gentlemen.
Yo, burn off that. No men no there, sir. Unless I ain't attack. Yo, brother, I'm tear dog.
You guys are here for the meeting?
Why? See no guys here, sir?
You sure you're in the right room?
No, we're not sure. You sure you're in the right room?
Oh, wait.
Hombre, easy no man. Yeah, we're there in the right room.
Seems someone didn't have their cereal this morning.
Look, so.
Oh, shut up. I mean, I did.
I threw my stone in the pig pen, and the one who screamed is who got hit.
That mean you shall deal with.
Yo, I'm leaving up here no man. Yo, silent. Rum left in our car.
You know I'm gonna need to see some ID though. I want a key in the right place.
So, yo, ain't no security?
No, my brother will just ask you to show your ID.
And if me not show you my ID, what you gonna do?
I'm not gonna tell you that. I can show you.
Paul, don't.
What you do you? Brother, you a idiot?
Yeah, me an
Huh?
idiot.
Please, don't. He's just looking some attention.
I hear attention more.
How would the
Paul, calm down. Maybe let me handle it. Are you sure you can handle my attention?
One way
peoples? Hey, hey.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Nobody move. Please, nobody move. Let me get a seat. This is working out to be the best action film of the year. Hurry, stop, my God.
Who them two you tell?
Oh, it's not a fight. You shake and I shake hands. Let me make it official. Stinger, Pearl, meet Shades, and Silent.
Pleasure to meet you, gentlemen.
Mr. Mullins, talk to the brother here, you know.
You up yourself.
Good. Now that we have gotten that out of the way, let's get to some reports and new orders.
So, sir, Bubbles and her team won't be here?
She'll be here shortly. But in the meantime, what is the report on the house that you thought had a dead body in?
Them find a woman body in there, sir.
The body was mummified, sir.
Was it murder?
No, sir. Look like she was sick.
Them just never report it.
Hmm. Them?
Two women them a go charge. One a 54 and one a 49.
So tell me, what brought your attention to it?
One of the woman them did have our son a collect embalming fluid from one of the funeral home them, sir.
Sir, think of the shooter them it would a go for, but it lead to the woman them.
And you alerted the authority?
Yes, sir.
And nobody no suspect say we are agent.
Good. That means you both can continue to stake out that area to see if they're running weapons through there.
Yes, sir.
Pearl?
Taxi driver apprehended and handed over to the authorities.
And your cover is still intact.
Still the helpless bartender.
Is there proof that he raped his daughter and stepdaughter?
Yes, he confessed to me just before he tried to rape me.
I want to fix it that he sees Judge Dredd. Should get at least 100 years for this.
That should be fitting.
Thanks for taking this one on and staying with it until the end.
It wasn't really hard. He was at the bar every day. And when I started showing interest in him, he just started talking.
Stinger, you okay?
Yes, sir.
Your report?
Well, mine is not so colorful like finding mummified bodies or taking down 50-odd-year-old women.
Whoa! Shots fired.
Brother, that bad. And it is definitely not as colorful as finding interest with cab drivers.
Suddenly it feels like the North Pole in here. Anybody else feeling cold?
The Operation Island recovered 233 firearms, 74 rifles, and 159 handguns.
How much ammunition?
Over 40,000.
And I take it that you did the procedure in terms of how much is for us. How many arrests?
None.